This is a 3D star, and we're going to show you how to make it. Let's hop right in. So here's what you're going to need. 3 pieces of cardboard paper. You're going to need a pair of scissors, a pencil, an eraser, and a little bit of string. Oh, and you're going to need a ruler. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create 4 square templates. For that, you're going to cut out 2 6-inch squares, 2 4.5-inch squares, 2 3-inch squares, and 2 2-inch squares. I'm going to show you how to do this for the 6-inch square, and then you can do it for the smaller squares. So from the edge of the paper until the 6-inch mark, you're going to put a little tick. Then you're going to do the same going vertically. All right, then you're going to draw a line across. At those tick marks. This one too. All right, and now you're going to cut, this is that 6-inch square you're going to cut out. And you're going to do this for 2 papers. All right, so once you've cut out both of your squares, now what you're going to do is you're going to find the center point. You want to draw these lines across it from edge to edge on both sides, and then from corner to corner across all the corners. Find the center point of the first edge. That's the 3-inch mark. And then this bottom edge here too, find the 3-inch mark. You're going to draw a vertical line and then one line across at that center point. And then you're going to draw a line from one corner to the other corner, and then the last 2 corners. There you go. Do this for the other paper and do it for all the other sizes. Now to combine them, you're going to take the edge line from the first paper and align it with this diagonal line from the second paper. And you want to make sure all 4 align. So once you've aligned them, secure them with double-sided tape.
Go for it.
Now you have all 4 of your templates. Now we can start making the star. Mine is going to be blue because everybody knows blue is the best color in the world. All right, so you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half, as we call in the world of science, hamburger style. No one can say this doesn't look like a hamburger. Now, you're going to take your first very large square, align these corners with the edges where the fold is, and you're going to trace this template that you've made. All right, once you've created your first line with your big square, you're going to now take your ruler and draw a line directly through this top point. And now you're going to make 2 more lines, each 1/8 of an inch away from this center line. 1/8 of an inch and 1/8 So the reason you want to make these 2 lines 1/8 of an inch from the center is because in the end, when we end up folding this, we want to have one area in the middle where it's not folded. And that kind of holds everything together. No cut zone. All right, now you're going to take your 4.5-inch square. And you're going to line the corner up with the middle point you've made, and these corners up with the fold, and you're going to do the same thing. Trace. But this time, you only have to go to the 1/8 of an inch line. You don't have to draw the line all the way to the center. You see? I only drew it to the no cut zone. Next, the little 3-inch star. All right, and finally, the little miniature star. Notice I did not go beyond the no cut zone, only on the top one. So you will go beyond the no cut zone, and the other ones will only go to the no cut zone. So I'll show you. So the first cut will be to cut out the big star. All right, now I think it's in your best interest to erase this very center line, just so it doesn't show up. Now cut only to the no cut zone. Pause. We have a delivery. Oh, yeah. MashaAllah. All right, back to it. After cutting to the no cut zone, all these lines, you can open up your star, flatten it out a little bit. Once you have it flattened out, here is what we are going to do. We're going to take each side that we've cut and fold it towards the center, but in a very specific way. So we're first going to fold the left innermost star to the center. Then you're going to take the second star on the right side, so fold it inward as well. Then third star on the left side and fold that inward. All right, now flip it over and you're going to fold all the ones that have not yet been folded. So the innermost star, flip it inward. And now the second star that has not yet been folded. And now the third layer of star. Finally, you're going to take your hole punch and you're going to punch a hole right in the top. All right. And now all you need to do is open these stars up a little bit, attach your string, and that is our completed 3D star.
Looking for more fun activities? Check out the Muslim Treehouse.
Twice a week, we have live programs with over 5,000 Muslim kids from all across the world. The best part, you can pay whatever you want to join. Don't miss out. Go to noorkids.com/treehouse and join us.